In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the settings for the bot on the Binance Exchange. Once you navigate to the settings, you navigate to Binance, and then you find the instructions. Just following the instructions step by step. The first is a link. You click, that's going to open the Binance on the API management page. Step number 2, create an API. System generated, hit next, name as you wish, and then you're going to be prompted for verification. Next step, you hit edit restrictions. You navigate to restrict access by IP, and then you copy the IP from your own Swift bot. Keep in mind, this is the maximum security and is a mandatory step. That means the generated key can only be used by this IP and no one else. So even if someone can access your keys, they will not be able to trade because they are not Swift bot indicator. You paste, hit confirm, and then next you enable spot and future trading. Once that's done, you're going to copy the API key and the secret key. Once that's done, you hit save, and you're going to be prompted for verification once again. Once your verification is done, your bot is properly set up. Now, you can just scroll down and execute a test trade. Finally, you can execute the test trade. If the bot is properly set up with the keys, you should see trade on your exchange equivalent to 1 size XRP. Once you hit that, the trade is successfully executed. Now you can activate your bot and start trading. Remember to close the position manually once you execute the test.